What's up everybody? We're over here in Barstow, California, where it gets really hot during the summer, and we want to be able to use our air conditioners without having to worry about a high utility bill. And this homeowner is putting 36 panels on their roof, maxing out their entire roof space to put almost 16 kilowatts worth of solar onto their home. That means they're not going to sweat it out this summer. They're not going to worry about high utility rates. They're not going to worry about shutting off the AC during time of use. They're going to just blast their AC all summer long and stay cool without spending a ton of money. So if that makes sense for your home and your family, and you'd like to get more information about adding solar, reach out to me today.